Hello, welcome back again. Today we want to find the value of a and b, given that we have a squared minus b equals 133 and b squared minus a equals 133. So guys, let's have it to the solution. So guys, from here we have a squared minus b to be equals 133, and we have b squared minus a to be equals 133. Let's name this to be question 1 and this to be question 2. So now guys, we can stay with to subtract. Let's subtract equation 1 from 2. Then we have this to be a square minus b, then minus into equation 2 is b square minus a, and this will be equals 133 minus 133 we have here to be equals 0. So guys, from here we have a square minus b. This will be minus b square plus a, then everything equals 0. So now from here we can take this together as a square minus b square. Then we have plus a minus b to be equals 0. Now guys, this is a difference of 2 square. This we have here, so we can have it to be a plus b, then multiplied by a minus b, then plus into a minus b. We have everything to be equals 0. So now guys, from here we have a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Then we have a minus b in common. We can factor it out to be a minus b. Then from here we have a plus b plus the whole of this divided by this. We have a plus b. All this divided by this, we have it to be plus 1. Then we have everything to be equals 0. But guys, we have to recall from here that if you want to find the value of a and b such that a does not equals b. Now, let's go. So from here we have, is either we have a minus b equals 0, or we have a plus b plus 1 equals 0. Before this expression can be satisfied, and from here we have a equals b, and which we don't want it because we don't want a to be equals b. So let's go further with this. We have a plus b to be equals minus 1. So therefore, we can have a plus b to be equals minus 1. We can name this to be equation 3. So now, let's also add this equation 1 and 2 together. This equation 1 and 2, let's add it together and see what will happen, because we want to get the value of a. So guys, by adding equation 1 and 2, we have then we're going to have a square minus b plus the second equation is b square minus a. Then we have it to be plus b square minus a. Then we have 133 plus 133. And so therefore from here guys, we have a square minus b. By open the bracket with plus, we have plus b square minus a to be equals 133 plus 133 will give us 266. And by taking this together, we have a square plus b square. Then we have minus a, and minus b to be equals 266. So now from here, guys, we have a square minus b square. We can factor minus out here. So we have a plus b to be equals 266. But we believe that from equation 4, a plus b equals minus 1. So we can have here to be a square. Sorry, this is plus b square. Then we have minus into minus 1. Then we have it to be equals 266. So therefore from here we have a square plus b square plus 1 to be equals 266. And we can have our a square plus b square to be equals 266 minus 1, which equivalent to 265. So we can also have it to be a square plus b square to be equals 265. So guys, let's name this to be equation 5. Now let's recall from equation 3. Equation 3 here. So we have, sorry, this one will be equation 4. We have a plus b to be equals minus 1. So let's square the both sides by squaring both sides like this. So we are going to have, by expanding this one, we are going to have this to be a square plus b square plus 2ab to be equals 1 square minus 1 square will give us 1. So now guys, from here we have a square plus b square. We've got the value of that one to be equals 265, and so therefore we can have it to be 265 plus 2ab equals 1. So from here we can have our 2ab to be equals 1 minus 265. So from here we are going to have our 2ab to be equals minus 264. By dividing both sides by 2, this will take away this. We have our ab to be equals minus 2 here is 4. We have this one to be 1. 2 in 6, we have it to be 3. 2 in 4, we have it to be 2. We have ab to be equals 132 minus 132. So we can name this to be equation 5. Now, let us also recall from when you have a minus b all square. This equals when you have a square plus b square minus 2ab. So from here, we can have it to be a minus b all square to be equals our a square plus b square. We've got the value of that one here to be 265. So we are going to have 265 minus 2 into the value of our AB equals minus 132. And we have our A minus B all squared to be equals 265 plus 264. And so from here we have our A minus B all squared to be equals, this plus this will give us 9, 6 plus this one will give it to be, this plus this one will have it to be 12, we take 2, this one will have it to be 5, and we can take the square root of both sides as a minus b all squared to be equals square root of 529. So this will also take away this. We have our a minus b to be equals positive or negative 23. Now when you have this as this, we also have to recall that we have a plus b to be equals minus 1. Now this is equation 6, then we call from equation 3. So to solve this simultaneously, we can have it to be as this. For the first expression, a minus b equals 23, then we are going to have a plus b to be equals minus 1. And again, we have a minus b to be equals minus 23, then we have a plus b to be equals minus 1. And by solving this, we are going to get, when you add this one together, you get your a plus a, we have 2a. This will take away this. Then we have, when you add this one together again, we have 23 plus minus 1. We have it to be 22. And by dividing both sides by 2, this will take away this. We have our a to be equals 11. Then when a equals 11, from any one of these, from a plus b equals minus 1, then we are going to have 11 plus b to be equals minus 1. Then b will be equals this minus 1 minus 11, which equals minus 12. So we have b to be equals minus 12. We can say therefore a comma b equals, we have the first a to be equals 11 comma b equals what? Minus 12. And likewise, we also to recall from here, we have, when you had this a plus a will give us 2a. This also will take away this. This minus 23 plus minus 1. This will give us minus 24. And by dividing both sides, this will take away this. We have our a to be equals minus 12. And when we also recall from a plus b that equals minus 1, we get the value of a to be minus 12 plus b to be equals minus 1. So we have b to be equals minus 1 plus 12. Then our b equals 11. And so therefore we can also have it here to be a comma b equals minus 12 comma 11. So therefore guys, we have the value of a to be equals a comma b to be equals 11 and minus 12, and a comma b again to be equals minus 12 and 11. So if you are new here, once again, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more mathematics tutorial videos. So we've checked, and you can check on your own too. Bye bye.